वेलकम बैक टू वीकेंड आउट. माय नेम इज गौरव. नाम तो सुना होगा, वैसे नाम तो मैं आपको एक और सुनाना चाहता हूँ ना. दिस इज एन इंडियन आर्टिस्ट एंड अ वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड फाइन आर्टिस्ट. हिज नेम इज हिशाम मलिक. Now, his talent and his art is abstraction and a mix of modern art and calligraphy. Now, this makes for very, very interesting art. I think you should take a look. In fact, he was here to launch his latest collection called Ilak. In fact, his exhibition is still on. पहले आप एक बार देखिए तो ये किस टाइप का आर्ट है. Ilak, an art exhibition by internationally acclaimed artist Hisham Malik, presents a unique collection of contemporary modern art. It is for the first time the Bahrain-born artist is presenting his works inspired by his journey in Africa and his interaction with the African tribals. The artist gives credits and believes that the traditions, myths, mysticism and spirituality are the actual strength and power of the African people.
First of all, really honoured to have an artist of this, standing in the international art world in my gallery, which is kind of it's something quite new for me. I'm usually showing artists from the region and from Africa, but more, emerging artists. So the fact that he's chosen my gallery has been a great honour, and it's been wonderful to meet him. He's an amazing person.
The collection gives an insight into the spiritual world and imagination of the Africans.
In Hisham's case, well, he's an internationally acclaimed artist, and his strength is that he's very versatile. So he just does not do one style, which was very evident in his last show at the Orleans Rossé, titled Mon Amour, which also had to do with different cultures, different regions. This particular theme has to do with Africa. Now, this is something that is very close to his heart. He has traveled in Africa since early 2000, and he's spent a lot of time with different African tribes.
The exhibition features a collection of contemporary modern paintings which are based on the time Hisham spent with the Samburu, Gwisi and Maasai tribes in Kenya. The tribes shared their stories and their way of life that have been captured and depicted by Hisham in his paintings.
What I believe is a painting, but it comes to life when there are people to critique it, there are people who question it, there are people who share what you shared, and you sort of educate your viewer, and that's how I see my painting.
He believes that African art ensures the survival of their culture and traditions. The focus of the exhibit is on the tales narrated by the elders of the village. The work is mostly philosophical and mystical and concerns the complexities of ancient beliefs. Now, Hisham Malik actually wanted to study art, but at a college he was rejected, and they told him that he would be better off doing business. Of course, he did what he wanted to. The point I'm trying to make here is that not everybody is as lucky as Hisham Malik. But while we are talking about luck, here's someone who got really lucky and walked away with the Nissan Sentra. Nissan, the world's 6th largest automaker, is giving the viewers of Sony TV a chance to win a Nissan Sentra car every month for 3 months. Tagged as the Sony Dekho Jeeto contest, viewers have a remarkable opportunity to win a brand new car just by logging on to the Sony TV website and answering a few simple questions about the car. The contest also gives a chance to the runner-up to test drive the brand new Nissan Sentra for a weekend.
Sentra is an amazing car in its segment, and we felt it was extremely important for us to increase awareness and familiarity. We wanted potential customers out there to understand better what Sentra is about, and in particular to understand all the innovations that Sentra is bringing on the table and all the innovations that make you enjoy the car, in particular in the rush hours.
The lucky winners of the first month have already been declared, and coincidentally, both are from India. The first winner, John, works in a mechanical company, came to Dubai in the year 2004 and lives with his family in Al Ain. He was ecstatic to have won a brand new Nissan Sentra.
I feeling, I think 2015 starting, I get a great prize and it's very delighted and for me, my family and everything.
We are
Okay,
really happy.
we are really very happy. How I can express, I don't know.
Yeah, we were very excited with the response. We got over 3,000 participants in the target audience that we were looking for, 9 million impressions. And definitely this was like over our level of expectations.
Now, John got really lucky and won himself this Nissan Sentra, but not everybody is as lucky. But luck एक ऐसी चीज़ है जिसे definitely life में आजमाना ज़रूर चाहिए. तो अगर आप भी अपने लिए जीतने का मौका चाहते हैं, this contest is still on. All you got to do is keep watching Sony TV. Now I'm going to show you the story of a guy who was slightly less lucky. Not as lucky as John, but still lucky in his own right. Rafiq, the runner-up, is newly married and has been looking to buy a new car. He was confident he would buy a Nissan car after his weekend test drive.
Yeah, I'm feeling very happy to giving such a wonderful test drive. I want to go. There is so many parks, and mainly I have to go to Abu Dhabi for visiting a Sheikh Zayed Great Mosque. Yeah. When we decide to buy a new car, definitely we are buying Nissan car.
The Sony Dekho Jeeto contest will be active for another 2 months and promises 4 more happy faces who will get to drive the brand new Nissan Sentra. It's time for us to take a short break, and after we come back from the break, it's time for us to try a restaurant. But before that, if you're a foodie, here's some information that you definitely need. Today is the 20th of February, tomorrow is the 21st of February, and these 2 days are days for the Masala Food Fair. Some great food, great ambience, great outdoor experience. All this is happening at the Zabeel Park. So if you haven't made any plans for lunch today or dinner today or lunch tomorrow, then you've got to head to the Zabeel Park and try out the Masala Food Fair. You will witness Master Chef Sanjeev Kapoor, Ravina Tandon, and yours truly will also be there. So after the break, I'll show you a restaurant, and after that, you must head to the Masala Food Fair.